One of my little projects that I'm gonna have to do to the house is, this is my choice. My honey didn't tell me to do it, but I've got my reasons why I want to do this. I'm gonna build a wall right here in the counter area because when we're trying to watch TV, the light reflects off of it for one thing. And since the girls is inside the living room having to sleep in here because their room is got so much black mold, and I ain't got money to renovate a whole room right from the get-go. So they've been sleeping in the living room, so keep them from getting woke up in the mornings whenever the light's on. I'm going to put up a wall. But the first thing I did, I had this salt treated 4x4 outside for the longest time. I put the support beam up and I put some angle supports to hold it into place. Now let's put the wall on. First I gotta clean off the counter.
Is it alright? We'll do whatever I say.